Hello everybody and welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Debbie McKeegan, the CEO of Texintel, and I'm here with Rob. You have to say this surname. I failed again already.
Goleniowski.
Goleniowski. So lovely to see you.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking the time out here to talk us through some of the Roland Technologies and to talk about just a couple of insights as to what's going on in the industry. So one of the things that excites me very much in the industry right now is the use of Dimense Technology and your acquisition of Dimense not so long ago now. And it would be great just to have a little update on that, see how that's going at the show, how it's working both from the signage perspective and from the interior decors perspective, because this is seriously creative. You can do some amazing things with Dimense.
It's lovely stuff.
Yeah.
Hence the reason why Roland acquired the company.
Yes. Yeah.
We've been aware of the Dimense solution for quite a long time. We've been keeping an eye on it.
Yeah.
And it very much fits with the rest of the Roland portfolio.
Okay.
But at the same time allows us to move into new markets.
Yeah.
Yes, there's a lot of opportunity in the wall covering market, but there's actually quite a good range of materials that allow it to be used for other applications, such as the silicon edge graphics and things behind me, and starting to venture into things like art reproduction as well.
Yes.
And that ability to simulate almost oil painting and textures, it lends itself very well to it. But I think it's fair to say the core aspect of it will be the wall coverings market and the opportunities for textured and embossed graphics within that.
But it also opens up new opportunities for the signage market, doesn't it, really? To generate 3D, 2D, 3D prints that create more ambience, more engagement, just takes it up a level from being flat. Really.
Oh, totally, yeah. I mean, there's lots of very good printers out there that can produce excellent quality flat graphics.
Yeah.
So to differentiate yourself, that ability of creating wow graphics with special logos embossed or details, just bringing things to life, is creating more interest for the customers and also the end users who are seeing the products.
Yeah. Such an exciting time, so much new tech.
It's brilliant, and Roland's always had a history of innovation, and actually in the last few years there's been quite a few new machines from us. On our stand right now we've got one of our newest benchtop flatbed UV printers as well, the MO240.
Great.
That's building on the success we've had over the last 12 years with our LEF printers, but it's just updating the technology, enhancing the machines, again making it appeal to a wider audience. And that's also why we're pleased with the combination with the Printwear and Promotion exhibition, as it allows us to show new customers the extent of the Roland portfolio as well.
Exactly, that convergence into new markets too. But also there's nothing quite like seeing machines in real life.
And that's why we keep coming back.
And having access online here and online to application specialists is so important. Ask those questions.
Yeah, I completely agree with you. I mean, I'm a big advocate of trade shows, and Roland has for a long time championed physical demonstrations, and our creative centres are well known and highly regarded for exactly that reason. You can look at a sample, you can look at a data sheet, and you can look at it online, but it's not the same.
No,
as
it's not the
pressing
same.
The buttons and touching the feeling.
But the printer or the creative, springs the mind when you're actually in front of it, doesn't it? Definitely.
Yeah, it does. And then not only that, but you've probably got 5 or 6 different things that you want to use the machine for. But then you can find 5 or 6 or even more that you didn't even know you could use it for.
Absolutely.
And that just helps improve the opportunities and the return on investment.
That's great. It's fantastic. We could chat all day.
Let's carry on. Let's go.
Thank you for your time. Really appreciate it.
Lovely.
It's
Thanks for
really
coming to see
busy.
us.
Yeah. And speak soon. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you everybody for tuning in today.